So we're having our first county foot golf event, open house, for county employees to come out and try out this new hybrid sport. Foot golf originated in 2008 in Europe and came to the US in 2011 with the American Foot Golf League.
And if you've never heard of it, foot golf is soccer and golf combined into one. It doesn't take very many skills. It's a great family activity. And basically, if you can kick a ball, you can play foot golf.
It's played on a golf course with a soccer ball. The goal is to kick it into a 21-inch hole in as few kicks as possible. Since 2011, there are now more than 500 foot golf courses throughout the United States. We're the first and only foot golf facility in Fairfax County. It's been growing rapidly. We've seen lots of families come out. It's something that adults and kids can play simultaneously. A great place for a birthday party or a corporate outing.
On August 20th, we're hosting the American Foot Golf League qualifying tournament, and that event is open to the public. There's different age brackets and gender brackets that you can compete in, from seniors, ladies, children's, and just regular male adult.
All levels of play are encouraged to register. Registration is open now. The top 30% will move on to the regional championship, which is also held here at Pinecrest Golf Course on October 15th. The entry includes a great goodie bag, some of these free foot golf socks, and we hope you come out to the tournament as well as to play here Saturdays and Sundays after 1:30 p.m.
For more information on foot golf, you can visit our website, which is fairfaxcounty.gov/parks/golf, and then search for foot golf.